Let us proceed, students. So see, we have learnt about the properties of plane mirror, and those properties are same size of the object at the same distance, erect, virtual. Most important is laterally inverted. So many of you are getting confused in this concept. You see, this is the example of the image which is laterally inverted. You can see here the letters are looking inverted. EL is looking inverted here. 15 is also looking inverted. So this is the example of lateral inversion, and the most important example of lateral inversion you can see in ambulance. Now I think you are familiar of the concept of lateral inversion, and this is virtual and erect also, is it? Now let us proceed. So next we are going to do that, we are going to read about the diffuse reflection, and we are going to read about irregular and diffuse reflection. So what do you mean by regular and diffuse reflection? First of all, let us revise laws of reflection. This is a reflecting surface, light is incidenting on this is incident ray, then light is reflecting, that this means this is reflected ray. The angle made with the help of normal with incident rays I, that is angle of incident, and angle made with normal and reflected rays R, that is angle of reflection. First law states that angle of incident will be always equal to angle of reflection, that is angle I is equal to angle R always. Next one is incident ray, this one, reflected ray, this one, and normal to that plane all lie on the same side of the plane, on the same plane. This is not lying, any one of it is not lying on that side of the plane. So now you are familiar of the laws of reflection. Now come to the main point we are going to study in this slide, and that is diffuse reflection and regular reflection. So diffuse reflection are, student, actually when light falls parallel, set of parallel lights, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, these are the 8 rays of light falling on irregular surface. This is an irregular surface, and when it will reflect, these all light will reflect, then this parallel light will not give parallel reflected ray. You can see this one is on that way, second is giving this reflection, third one is giving this one, and then this and this. You can see all the lights are reflecting in different manner. So reflected ray are not parallel, and but the incident rays were parallel. When it fall on the surface, it all were parallel, but now reflected rays are not parallel. So now we are going to define C, diffuse or irregular reflection. C, when a set of parallel rays reflected from a rough or irregular surface, just like this, irregular surface are not parallel, then this type of reflection is known as diffused or irregular. You can see this example of diffused or irregular reflection. Now come to regular reflection. Here you are seeing the reflecting surface is smooth or regular. Again, set of parallel lights are falling on this surface. So in this case, student, very interesting, you will see all the reflected rays are also parallel. So the parallel set of light are reflecting in a parallel manner. Let us read regular reflection. When a set of parallel rays reflected from a smooth surface like plane mirror are also parallel, then it is known as regular reflection. This is example of regular reflection, and this is example of irregular or diffuse reflection. So I think you all are thinking that in the irregular reflection, that is in diffuse reflection, there is not law of reflection. That means irregular reflection is not following law of reflection. or laws of reflection. Is it? Do you think so? No, these rays are also following laws of reflection. How? See, these all the rays are falling parallel, that is incidenting parallelly, but the surface is not parallel. That's why normal for the plane will be different. I had given example only taking this normal. You see, this surface is inclined in this manner, is it? So normal for this plane will be different, and according to normal for that plane, the reflected ray will make equal angle to incident ray and then reflect. That's why, see, this is falling on this peak, so it will reflect. The normal will be in this way, so reflected ray is going that way. Here also you see, this is the surface, light is falling here, normal will be simply straight on this surface. That's why reflected ray will make equal angle with the normal and reflect like this, fall like this, reflect like this, fall like this, reflect like this. So you can see that all these are also following laws of reflection. All are on the same side of the plane, and these are also making equal angle with the normal while reflecting. So we must say that diffused or irregular reflection is not a violation of laws of reflection. This is also following law of reflection. So we have at most completed all the topic we had decided for today. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.